Welcome to Conversion Expo 2025. We are the official media partner of Conversion Expo and this is the 32nd edition. So now I'm going to take you inside and we are going to explore every brand and going to explore their new launches. Let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Anshika Verma. Welcome to Build Bharat Expo 2025. Today I'm going to show you brands and latest launches, their technologies, the technologies that's going to help India for better future in the building sector. And the dates are 19 to 21st March and the timings are 10 to 6. The location of this expo is Pragati Maidan, Bharat Mandapam. You can easily come via metro. The nearest metro station is Supreme Court and you can also come by your own vehicle. The gates are 4 to 5 and the timings are 10 to 6. Hello sir.
Hello.
May I know your name?
So my name is Ashish Nema. I am Executive Director with Kelco Alu Systems Private Limited, Ghaziabad. We are NCR based doors, windows and facade manufacturers.
What's your company all about?
So we are here since last 33 years servicing the building and construction industry with our products.
This is the first time that Build Bharat is happening in India. So do you have done any launches or you are thinking to bring new technologies?
So if you see the theme of this exhibition, which is called Vocal for Local
Yes.
and Local to Global. So this is the right platform to promote the local manufacturing in the country and showcase the product of the world class standard so that we can reach to the global markets. Here a lot of people have come from the different embassies and they have shown a lot of interest in the Indian products and the quality of the products is really a different level. Means we have reached to a level of world level where we can compete with any world level brand in our segment.
So you guys are thinking to bring new technologies for better future of India?
So we have all the technologies. We are exploring the world market now actually. In our factory we have everything in-house. We have a passive house certification from Germany. We are the first company in India in construction segment which got this certification. This certification proves that we can provide the products which are good for the green world, green country and green vision of the globe actually.
That's very nice. Sir, since how's the experience, how's the response you are getting from the audience?
Response is good. Many people have come up with the and shown the interest in our new products. Actually, these are the two new products which we have introduced here. This is one entrance door. 14 we can supply up to. We have not shown the full width because there's a height because there's a limitation here. But we can showcase this all aluminium doors. First time in India it is being introduced.
That's
We have
very
a Aluwood product which we are the only manufacturer in the country for that. So these things we have showcased here.
So is there any website or IG page so that our audience can contact
So
you?
we have a calcoindia.com is our website where one can go, and there's a toll-free number is also available on which people can call us. We will connect. We are happy to service them.
As Sir said about his website, so you guys can check out the website in the description box. Thank you so
Yes.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, what's the new latest launch today that you have done here in Build Bharat Expo?
So this is the entrance door, all aluminium doors. If you can see, this door can be entrance door basically. Up to 14 feet height we can produce it, and it is as strong as any metal for the safety and for the safety purpose. Long handle is given for the easy to operate, for easy operation of this product. This can be integrated with the other features like louvers, where half the doors can be made full door and half with the ventilated louvers, which is movable for the natural air or the lighting.
What is the main USP of this product? What is
So
the
life is almost 30 years for this product, because it's a rust proof, maintenance free. There's no maintenance required. Available in various colors and options, finishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
सर इसकी USP क्या है, ये किस बारे में आपका
So
प्रोडक्ट?
if you can see this product, it looks like a wooden product. It is a natural wood from the interior. But if I open it from the exterior side, it is integrated with the aluminium. So this is called the Aluwood product, in which you will get the elegance and the beauty of wood for your interior of the house, whereas the protection from all kind of weather situations by metal or aluminium from the outside. This wood is natural wood, mechanically fitted with the aluminium.
What is the main USP of this?
This door is having the 6-point locking system. There's another feature for this product which is called tilt and turn. So if you can see, door is now half opened for the natural ventilation. So if you don't want to open the full door, you can just keep it in the tilting position, and you will get all the beautiful breeze from the outside.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
They say that I'm so fine. You could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep when you
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
May I know your name?
My name is Jinia Tony. I'm from George Infra Private Limited, Kerala. So basically, we are into metal industry. We are doing a lot of renovations in metal area itself. So we have a lot of new loans, new products in metals. In India, we are the only one dealing with this kind of designer products in steel or metal industry. We have a lot of profiles that nobody have still in India. In for roofing, छत पे लगाने वाली wide varieties of color we have, 45 plus different shades we have in different. We can feel the texture, we can feel the quality like that.
Is there any product launch that you guys have done today? Because this is
Yes.
the first expo
Yeah,
that's going to
okay.
that's happening.
Yeah,
Build
okay.
Bharat Expo.
Okay, so what we launched today is our square clad, luxury clad, square clad, and curve clad plank. These, and we have a unique item that is custom clad. In India, I think nobody have that kind of machine in here. So we have a custom clad machine. So if some architect of builders of anybody have any idea to create any kind of clad, something like that in their mind, so give me the dimension, I will create according to your plan. So that is called the custom clad. So that also we launched today.
What is the USP of it?
According to your design, customized design we can give, no problem. And what is the highlight of our material is according to your length. Like if you need some kind of 10 feet or 2 feet, something like that, we can provide like that. So every brand is providing these kinds, but they have their own standard size. But for us, we can customize according to your roof length or your wall length. According to your area, we can design it.
How's the response you are getting from the customers audience?
Okay, actually we got a very good footfall in the stall today. We got a very good hot leads also. Like actually we don't have any dealers or distributor in north side, so we got a lot of inquiry for that. So we will be touch with them.
So will you be exhibiting next year? Would you like to exhibit next year?
Sure. Actually, we are very excited to exhibit next year also. So we will plan the same.
Is there any website or IGPs that our audience can contact you?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have www.georgeinfraprivatelimited.com.
As ma'am told us about the website, that website is going to be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Today morning we have launched this material. This is Metalex material with the finish or paint finish of DP finish, and this profile name is Eurotile with the thickness of 40 mm, and we are providing 25 years of warranty for this material. And what content of this is basically it's a combination of iron, aluminium, magnesium, zinc, silicon coated material it is. And what is the highlight of this this finish is we can feel the finish also. And 45 plus different color में आपको है ना ये profile मिल सकता है. This also one more red Eurotile finish. Its name is red clay. So मिट्टी का जैसा feel we can get that feel also. Natura. This all available in 40 thickness, 4550 और thickness में ये color भी available है. And we have wide range of color series over here. These all are our color options. This is our clay finish. This is our leaf finish. This is cotton finish. This is granite finish. And this is GLX plain color also. These all finish में आपको कौन सा profile पसंद आया तो we can select any of the color and do the profiling. This is the most innovative product that we have launched today. This is square clad. We can use interior as well as exterior also. This is wood finish. We have a lot of colors in wood finish also. We can feel the finish also. And here this is curve clad. This profile also we can use in interior as well as exterior also. We have done with square clad false ceilings. You can see this. This is wood finish. We can feel the finish also. And we have finished this partition also with our metal sheets. We can feel the finish. It's a rustic finish. And here also you can see the concrete finish.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Today I have shown you best brands of Build Bharat Expo 2025. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, take care.